गुड मॉर्निंग. लॉकडाऊन नंतर आपण पहिल्यांदा भेटतोय आज. आपलं युनिट ज्या ठिकाणी थांबलेलं होतं ते म्हणजे क्लोज पॅकिंग इन अ क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर. सो you should find out here your further syllabus where we stopped before the lockdown. So please understand here in a crystal structure what happens? Their atoms, molecules or the ions are occupying the perfect geometrical points in a crystal structure. So there may be the arrangement of the particles in a row, in a plane, as well as in a three-dimensional structure. We already seen cubic, simple cubic, body central cubic, face central cubic. These are the crystal lattices, and in that crystal lattices 14 Bravais lattices we have already seen. So here first of all how the crystals are formed and how the staking of the particles are taking place in a three-dimensional crystal lattice. So what happens? There is a first the close packing in one dimension, that is when spheres are arranged, we can arrange them spherically also, but in a crystal structure there is a cubical, means there will be the straight line first. So in a first that the points, all that points, if we are arranged in a row in a linear manner, then what happens? There is only arrangement is possible, and in one dimension you can find this is the only arrangement possible for the crystal lattice. And now in this way if we arrange the particles anywhere, then any particle in this, suppose this particle we have selected, I have already drawn the diagrams here to save the time. Now this 1 and the 2, these two particles are in contact with each other, and the closest neighbors of that particular point, how many atoms are touching with that, is called as the coordination number. When spheres, that means the atoms, molecules or the ions, we are arranging in one dimension, the coordination number of each point is 2. So I have written here, you can stop the video and you can write it. And please remember the revised notes have provided in a PDF. So this matter is on page number 10. So look into that and get the knowledge. Here two spheres are in a direct contact to that shaded spheres, so its coordination number is 2. Now the second way, the close packing in two dimension. In two dimension there are two ways to arrange the particles. That means in a crystal structure there are two types of the arrangement in a plane, in one plane, in a plane. So close packing in two dimensions, that is create a square or the hexagonal arrangement. Hexagonal arrangement. Suppose this row is known as the A, and these A rows are arranged. A rows are arranged in one plane, then the staking will takes place like this. इस प्रकार से जब इसको हम अरेंज करेंगे तो यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट्स अरेंज हो रहे हैं, so one point is directly touching with the other 4, and therefore in square close packing in two dimension, the coordination number of any point you can select any. I think it is the revision for you. because I think in a class I have completed this matter, but to just revise, I am putting this video for you people. So AAA in a square close pack, these rows in 2 dimension gives the square close packing. But when you are arranging the laddus in a plate, how will you place that? That in a first row there is a gap, there is a notch, and in the notch you are putting the second row. So for the second row we are calling it is the B. Then again we are arranging the row in the notch which is occurred in the second row. So in the second row we will find in a second row that in the first row and in the second row there are still the vacant places. This vacant, this is vacant. These are of 2 types. See here in the bigger diagram, one is pointing upward, the triangular void. One is pointing upward, which will further called the A, and second is which is pointing downward here, that is called as the B. These 2 voids you have to remember very carefully when 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing is occurred in a 1 dimension, in a plane. So 2 dimension. So here each point is surrounded by the 6 equidistant points. The atoms, molecules are the ions of the crystal, and therefore in a hexagonal close packing, the coordination number of each point is 6. I already mentioned here void form are of 2 types in between 2 rows. One which is in apex upward and here in the downward side. So this is the another way to understand here. Suppose these are the 2 types of voids, and now tomorrow we will clear it that how in 3-dimensional packing the tetrahedral and the octahedral voids are formed. Now what happens, just to remember, tomorrow we will start, or in the evening I will give you the another video where second plane now it is a 1 plane and a similar 2-dimensional plate of the atoms we are putting over the first plate. So there are one way to put here or either the another way, that is what you can put the sphere now here, that is the void form A. Alright, just look at this, only the rough diagram here. What happens? There are 3 spheres below and 1 sphere above. So there is a void, which is there is a vacant place, there is a void over that A here, that is known as tetrahedral void. It is surrounded by the 4 spheres. Or otherwise you can put here, you can put this second layer here over the void B. The same case will happen. That means when we are putting this complete layer now A, now if we put this similar fashion, the sphere over the sphere, then it will be the AA. Here square close packing I will tell you tomorrow. Now this will be not the then close packing. So to have a close packing, we have to put the spheres in the notch. To decrease the vacant spaces here, and hence we will put this here, second layer. अब यहां पे क्या होता है देखिएगा, जब हम ये ऐसे स्फीयर्स को रखने जा रहे हैं तो यहां पे और एक वॉइड फॉर्म होते जाती है। देखिए ये रफ स्केच है। टुमारो इन द इवनिंग आई विल गिव यू द अनदर वीडियो। हियर इन द फर्स्ट लेयर there is a triangular sphere which is pointing upward, but when we are putting the second layer here, there will be the another triangular void which is pointing in the lower. If it is pointing downward in upper layer, it is pointing upward. If we are putting the spheres in different manner, then if downward will be the upward, then upward will be the downward. Here what happens? We have selected the A to put the second layer, and therefore what happens? The B void is pointing downward. And then when we are putting here the second layer, there will be the void overlapping there pointing upward, and it creates the octahedral void. This complete matter we will see in the second video. This is the trial one. If इसमें अगर आवाज आपको कम आ रही हो तो आप ईयरफोन लगा के सुनिएगा। ये लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में इससे अलावा दूसरा कोई रास्ता मेरे पास नहीं था। सो दिस इज फॉर यू पीपल, एंड थैंक यू। वेटिंग फॉर द सेकंड वीडियो।